Pizza, simple, delicious, and familiar. A comfort food enjoyed around the globe. You've probably made it at home, maybe even tonight. Dough, carefully kneaded and proofed, sauce, simmered with herbs and spices, cheese, generously layered, toppings, arranged just the way you like them. But the frozen pizza in your freezer? That's a different story altogether. Its story is anything but simple. It's a tale of innovation, automation, and incredible scale. Behind factory doors where secrets of mass production are held, making pizza becomes a high-tech, massive operation. A symphony of engineering and efficiency. Imagine robots as chefs, precisely portioning ingredients, conveyor belts as highways, transporting pizzas through a carefully orchestrated process, and a daily output that could feed a city. The sheer volume is staggering. This is the reality of modern frozen pizza production, a marvel of industrial engineering. Every step, meticulously planned and executed, from mixing flour to sealing the box, ready for its journey to your local grocery store, is engineered for efficiency and consistency. Precision is paramount. The goal, a singular, unwavering objective. The pizza you eat in Ohio on a cold winter night tastes exactly like the one in California. A testament to standardized production. It all starts with a mountain of flour, enough to bake for an entire nation. Let's pull back the curtain, step inside, and follow a single pizza's journey. A delicious odyssey from dough to frozen perfection, a transformation unlike any other. Massive machines humming with power and clever robots working tirelessly work in a perfectly choreographed dance, a ballet of bits and bytes. This isn't just food, it's more than meets the eye, it's engineering on an epic scale. A testament to human ingenuity, so forget your kitchen counter, put away your apron. We're entering a world, a realm of industrial prowess where food meets cutting-edge technology, where culinary art meets automation. Ready to see how your favorite pizza is made? Prepare to be amazed, let's begin. The journey of a frozen pizza awaits. It all starts with the dough. The very foundation of our pizza begins here, in these massive mixing vats. But not a small bag of flour, no. We're talking about an industrial-scale operation. Here, colossal silos hold tons of it, enough to keep the production line running day and night. These are the heart of our operation. Flour is piped into mixers, a constant flow of the essential ingredient. The size of cars, these mixers are truly gigantic. They are built to handle enormous quantities of dough, where water, yeast, salt, the basic building blocks and secret ingredients are added, all measured with exacting precision. With computer precision, ensuring consistency in every batch. These mixers churn enough dough, a swirling mass of potential for thousands of pizzas at once. It's a truly impressive sight. Next, the dough is kneaded, stretched, and folded. Not by hand, of course, but by powerful machines designed for the task. But by giant rollers on conveyor belts, a continuous process that never stops. Conditioning it perfectly, creating the ideal texture and consistency. The process is loud, impressive, a symphony of mechanical motion, and non-stop, a testament to efficiency and scale. Once ready, the dough is rolled, flattened, and prepared into a massive sheet, ready to be transformed, and cut into perfect circles, the familiar shape of our pizza crusts. By a machine, a marvel of engineering and automation, like a giant cookie cutter stamping out pizza bases with incredible speed. Leftover dough is recycled, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Back into the process, ensuring that every bit of dough is put to good use. Nothing wasted, a commitment to sustainability and responsible production. Hundreds of pizza bases, a seemingly endless stream of potential pizzas, are stamped out every minute, a testament to the speed and efficiency of this operation, identical in size and thickness, ensuring a consistent and reliable product. Each base is docked, a crucial step in the process. Tiny holes poked by a spiked roller, a seemingly small detail with a big impact, to prevent air bubbles during baking, ensuring a perfectly flat crust. This ensures a flat, even surface, the ideal canvas for our toppings. For sauce and toppings, the next stage in our pizza-making journey, every detail is handled with meticulous care and attention by specialized machines designed for optimal performance and precision. For perfect results, a commitment to quality in every step of the process. The dough is now ready, its transformation nearly complete. For its transformation into a delicious and satisfying pizza. From a mountain of flour, a humble beginning, to perfect pizza bases, the foundation of our culinary creation. The foundation is set, the stage is prepared. Next up, flavor, the exciting part. Let's see what happens as we move to the next stage of production. When the sauce and cheese arrive, ready to transform these bases into culinary masterpieces. The pizza bases glide down the line. First stop, the sauce station. Spouts release a measured amount of tomato sauce spread in perfect circles by spinning arms. No drop wasted. Hundreds of pizzas sauced per minute. Next, the cheese blizzard. Tons of shredded mozzarella rain down from dispensers above. Smart sensors and cameras ensure every pizza gets the perfect amount. Precision is key. No ingredient wasted, every pizza consistent. If anything's off, alarms sound and technicians fix it instantly. This is automation at its finest. A symphony of sauce, cheese, and conveyor belts. The once plain dough is now vibrant and loaded with flavor. These are no longer just bases. They're pizzas in the making. Time for the robots to add the finishing touches. Now, the topping stations where robots bring each pizza's personality to life. For pepperoni, a high-speed machine places thousands of slices per hour in perfect patterns. For complex pizzas, robotic arms with vision systems add veggies, sausage, and more, each topping placed with precision. Every pizza gets the exact weight and distribution of toppings, ensuring consistency and accurate nutrition. Robots don't tire or get distracted. They deliver perfection, pizza after pizza. Automation also means less human contact, boosting food safety. Stainless steel machines are cleaned nightly for hygiene. This blend of robotic precision and cleanliness guarantees safe, tasty, perfectly topped pizzas. The pizzas are now fully dressed and ready for their next transformation. Let's see how they're baked and frozen. Topped pizzas head into a tunnel oven, over 100 feet long, where jets of hot air par-bake them. The crust sets, cheese melts, and flavor is locked in. Time to the second for each recipe. Par-baking ensures your pizza finishes perfectly in your home oven. From the oven, pizzas go straight into a spiral freezer. A towering corkscrew chilled to -40 degrees. Flash freezing locks in freshness, preventing ice crystals and preserving texture. The process pauses the pizza at its peak, so it tastes fresh months later. Without this rapid freeze, you'd get a soggy mess at home. It's the final act of preservation before packaging. From fiery heat to Arctic cold, the pizza is transformed and protected. Now, it's time to get these pizzas ready for their journey. Let's see how they're boxed and packed. The finish line is in sight. Flash frozen pizzas glide onto machines that shrink wrap them in airtight plastic protection from freezer burn and contamination. Next, they're boxed by high-speed machines. Cardboard folded, pizza inserted, lid sealed with hot glue. Each box is stamped with a best by date, lot number and barcode. Its identity card for safety and tracking. Robotic arms stack boxes onto pallets in perfect cubes, ready for shipping. Pallets are wrapped in plastic and moved to a massive freezer warehouse. Every step is automated, fast, and precise. Quality control is built in at every stage. The pizzas are now ready to leave the factory. From dough to box, every detail is engineered for perfection. But the journey isn't over yet. Let's follow the pizza to your plate. Imagine a warehouse, a colossal structure so vast it could easily house a football field. Inside, you'll find thousands upon thousands of pallets of frozen pizza, stacked high and stretching as far as the eye can see. They wait in icy silence, a testament to the scale of modern food production. When stores need more to meet customer demand, heavy-duty forklifts spring into action, carefully loading pallets onto refrigerated trucks. Giant freezers on wheels, ensuring the pizzas stay perfectly frozen. The cold chain is meticulously maintained, never broken, guaranteeing that the pizzas remain safe, fresh, and delicious, all the way to your local supermarket, ready for you to purchase. You find your pizza, nestled amongst the other frozen delights, in the brightly lit frozen aisle. Take it home, ready for a cozy night, and slide it into your freezer, awaiting its moment to shine. On pizza night, when cravings strike, you eagerly unwrap it, bake it to golden perfection, and fill your kitchen, transforming it into a haven with that irresistible, mouth-watering aroma that only pizza can create. As you slice and serve those perfect wedges, you're completing a remarkable journey, a culinary adventure that began far away in a megafactory, a hub of innovation. That simple slice, seemingly ordinary, is the result of meticulous engineering, precise calculations, automation, and cutting-edge technology, and above all, a genuine passion for pizza and delivering quality. Next time you gather around to enjoy a frozen pizza, take a moment to remember the incredible complex process behind it all. From the humble flour to the chilling freezer, from the bustling factory to your warm family table, it's so much more than just a simple meal. It's a true marvel of modern food.